Today's class is the vowels. Let's enjoy! Last time, we learned the pronunciation of vowels. Then, now we can read words made with vowels. Look at this. These are 10 basic vowels and these are 11 complex vowels. Read it again. A, ya, o, yo, u, yu, u, e. And e, ye, wa, we, wo, we, e. Okay, good. Now let's read this word. Let's find it in order. This first sound is ing. Do you remember? Korean ing has no sound value, so a and are the same. Okay, good. Then look for o. Okay, where is it? Did you find it? Good. A, ya, o, yo, o. Good. Here it is. How do you read it? Good. O. Okay. It means O. 5. Repeat after me. O. Okay. Good. Next. Let's read this word. Did you find it already? Good. A, ya, o, yo, u, e. Right. Here it is. Okay. Repeat after me. E. It means teeth. Good. Next. Let's read this word. Did you find it? Okay, where it is? A, E. Good. It means child. Repeat after me. A, E. Okay, good. Next. Okay, let's read this word. Where it is? A, ya, o, yo, o. And yo, u, u. Yes, here it is. Repeat after me. O, E. Good. It means cucumber. Okay, good. Next. Let's read this word. Start. Where it is? A, ya, o, yo. Yes, here it is. Yo and o, yo, o. Here it is. Okay, repeat after me. Yo, u. It means fox. Okay, good. Next, let's read this word. You can find where it is. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이, 에, 예, 에, 예, 와, 왜. Yes, here it is. Repeat after me. 왜. It means why. Okay, good. Next. Let's read this word. Did you find it already? Good. Where it is? 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우. Yes, here it is. 우 and you. Okay, here it is. 우, you. Repeat after me. 우, you. Okay. It means milk. Good. Remember, don't forget the bases are the most important. It must sound like a dialect if you use it incorrectly. Okay? Good. That's it for today's lesson. Next class is the consonant. Please press like and subscribe. See you next time.